Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw some gummy worms. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this fun video today. Now, to start off with our gummy worms, we're just going to be making a lot of kind of squiggly lines. So these are going to be pretty easy. I'm going to start right up here, and let's just draw a little line that's going to come up and down, kind of like a little upside down U. Starting here, let's just make a line that's just going to be kind of wavy and go around like this. Next, we're just going to follow that same line. You want to try to keep it about the same thickness in here. So we're just going to draw the same line right in here, and we're just going to follow it all the way down to here. Next, we're just going to end this with a little curved line to connect it. Now, starting over here, let's draw a little line that's just going to be kind of wavy, like this. We're going to add a little curved line, and then we're just going to follow that same line that we just drew. I'm going to make this one kind of curve this way again. And we'll just bring it right around to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up, and it's going to kind of wiggle its way over there. I'm going to add a little curved line, and then I'm just going to kind of follow that same pattern right around here. And we'll just kind of curve this around here to connect it. Then one of the last things I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a few little lines on here for some details. So I'm just going to do this on one side of our gummy worms, and I'm just going to add some of these little curved lines. You just want to add them to one side. You can do both if you want to, but I think one side looks a little bit better. So I'm just going to put these on each one, and we're just going to make them a little bit curved. You can do big ones, small ones, however you want to do this. This just kind of makes them look a little bit more like worms. But there you go, there is your drawing of gummy worms. And I know they don't really look so much like gummy worms right now, but once we color these, you'll definitely be able to see all the different patterns and stuff in there. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.